Social media is great. It helps us talk and share stuff with everyone.
Wait, Ajay, it's also bad. It makes people feel bad about themselves and spreads lies.
It's not at all bad, Ankita. It lets us show who we are and connect with others.
But it hurts people too. We should fix it.
Yes, let's use it wisely and make it better for everyone.
Right. Let's enjoy the good parts and fix the bad ones.
Did you notice the views of Ajay and the counter views of Ankita? Would you like to learn more about views and counter views? Then, in this video, we will learn all about view and counter view. We will understand what is view and counter view, why it is an important skill to learn, and how should we write a view and counter view. So without further ado, let's get started. What is a view? A view refers to a particular way of looking at or interpreting a topic, issue, or event. It's a perspective or an opinion on a subject. It could be positive or negative. Then, what is a counter view? A counter view is an opposing viewpoint or perspective on a particular topic. It presents arguments that challenge or disagree with the original view. So, if the view is positive, then the counter view will be negative. Similarly, if the view is negative, then counter view will be positive. Think of it like this. Imagine two people attending a concert and listening to a song. One person may view the music as uplifting and energetic, while the other person might have a different view or counter view. He might have found it sad and unenergetic. Despite listening to the same performance, each person interprets the music differently based on their own emotions and experience. Why are views and counter views important? Learning about views and counter view is an important part of developing many skills. Number one, critical thinking. Number two, it helps you to see an issue from multiple perspectives. Number three, it helps you to form our own well-informed opinions. Number four, being able to consider counter views also strengthens your own argument as you can anticipate and address potential objections. Number five, it promotes open-mindedness and empathy towards different viewpoints. And number six, by writing views and counter views, you will develop your ability to think critically and communicate effectively. So because of these reasons, we should learn how to write views and counter views. Now, here are some tips for writing a view and counter view. Number one, start by clearly stating the topic. Number two, present the view in a well-organized and persuasive way. Use strong evidence and examples to support your arguments. Number three, do the same for the counter view. Be fair and objective in your presentation of the opposing viewpoint. And number four, conclude by summarizing the main point of both views. You can also state your own opinion on the issue if appropriate. So in this way, you can write a view or counter view. Generally, in exams, you might be given a view and you have to write counter view on it. For example, prepare a paragraph with an appropriate title to be used for the counter view section on the following topic in about 120 words. View. Mobile phones are beneficial invention. Mobile phones have revolutionized communication, making it easier to stay connected with loved ones and access information on the go. They also offer a variety of features that can be helpful for education, entertainment, and productivity. So, to write a counter view, first we will write the title in a negative sense. So, I have given the title as The Dark Side of Mobile Phones. Now, first I will use the view as the reference and try to write the counter views in the bullet point as a rough draft. Later on, I will write the final answer using these bullet points. The first viewpoint is it is easy to use. What could be its counter view? Because it is easy to use, it is addictive as well. Next, the viewpoint was it keeps us connected and informed. Its counter view could be that we are disconnected from our near and dear ones. Then, the viewpoint was it is a great source of entertainment. Its counter view could be it has become a big source of wrongdoing as well. Lastly, it has diverse features for education. Its counter view could be it has an overdose of information. So these are some of the counter views which I have prepared from the viewpoints. And you may add some more points based on your understanding. So the final counter view paragraph would be something like this. Mobile phones are incredibly useful but also comes with their challenges. They can be addictive, making it hard for someone to even sleep without them. Nowadays, even young children are hooked, prioritizing screens over meals. This addiction can create a gap between us and our loved ones whom we could easily meet face to face. Outdoor activities are being neglected, and harmful content on phones can contribute to an increase in crime. Moreover, the abundance of information available can confuse students, making it difficult to distinguish between what's true and false. It's crucial to use our phones responsibly, focusing on building real life connections and maintaining our well being rather than getting lost in the digital distractions. So, this is about view and counter view. Let me ask you a question. You are given a view and you have to write a counter view on it. Topic: video games are beneficial for children. And here are the viewpoints. You may pause the video and write the answers in the comment. I hope you would have given the answer. And to know my answer, please check the description of the video. And remember, Ankita, mastering views and counter views isn't just about winning arguments. It's about expanding our minds.
Absolutely. By considering different perspectives, we not only sharpen our own understanding, but also contribute to a more empathetic and informed society.
So, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep challenging those views. Together, let's paint a richer, more nuanced picture of the world. Thanks a lot for watching. And until next time, keep thinking critically. Goodbye.